So next, let us go for GST, list of taxes replaced by the GST. So what are the main taxes? As in the earlier classes, what we have discussed, that GST removes lot of taxes, different type of taxes, which we know the cascading effect, dual tax effect. Okay, so those dual means twice we are paying the same tax. See, GST is divided into dual tax. That dual tax is different, this dual tax is different. Divided into two, that means CGST, SGST, central government charged as well as state government charged. But here the cascading effect means same tax you are paying by one person and the second person also. Same tax. That is dual tax. They are not paying to the central and the state government. Suppose they are paying to the state government only twice. The same tax has been paid by different two persons to the state government only. That is called cascading effect. But in case of the dual tax system, once they pay to the state government, they need not have to pay to state government once again. They have to pay to the central government. That dual tax rule is different and the cascading effect is different. Now, here in this list, we come to know what are the taxes has been removed when the GST has been introduced in India. So, what are the taxes has been removed? Central excise duty, most important, very, very important thing. Central excise duty has been removed. This central excise duty mostly imposed in case of the export of commodities. So, this has been removed and now everybody can easily do without any burden, everybody can do the export. So, the central excise duty has been removed. Additional duties of excise, certain other surcharges are there in the excise duty, that is additional taxes, that also has been removed along with the excise duty. Fine. Next, additional duties of the custom, not only the excise as well as the custom duty also has been removed by GST. That means nowadays if we pay the GST, that means custom duty you need not have to pay at the time of exporting your commodities. Everything is easy now, very easy now. Everybody can think of doing the export business. Government is encouraging. Next 5 years, the government is encouraging each and every person. They want an entrepreneur from each and every family, each and every person, so that Indian economy will boost. So that's why this custom duty also has been removed, because the custom duty earlier, the tax rate was very high. You have to pay to the custom, you have to pay to the excise, you have to pay to the sales tax. So how many taxes you will pay? So it's a burden ultimately. And not only the burden, the price of the commodity rises up, increasing. We cannot sell the commodities in a very reasonable price. And it is not affordable for each and every person. Only the rich class can buy the goods. The middle class as well as the lower class can't think of consuming anything. The good things, luxurious things are only for the one class of people, the luxurious things, the richest class of people. But nowadays, the middle class people also can very easily enjoy, very easily can consume those products. Fine. Because of these removal of the taxes, it minimizes the cost. Fine. So this is what central excise duty, additional excise duty, after that customs duty, additional customs duty, service tax, cesses and surcharges. Cesses and surcharges are what? Extra taxes on behalf of the original tax. In certain commodities, there are extra taxes taken by the central as well as the state government. Those charges are also not there nowadays. So this entire duties, this entire tax has been removed from the GST, from the taxation, and GST has been implemented. So this is all about the list of taxes which has been replaced by the GST. So GST make it only one tax. One country, one tax. One place, one tax. Fine. This is the concept of the GST. Next, state taxes subsumed within GST. What are the taxes? State. This is specifically only for the state. So different type of taxes which has been implemented in a state earlier, just like that. Value added taxes, central sales tax, purchase tax, luxury tax, entry tax, entertainment tax. See the list of the taxes? You can see different type of taxes over here. We can see the entertainment tax, central tax, VAT, value added tax, purchase tax, luxury tax, lotteries, betting, state seizes, charges, taxes on advertisement. So each and every commodity, each and every product, each and every field, the taxes was implemented. But now what happened? The state government, these are the subsum, has mixed up. Subsum means mixed up all the taxes together. They have added all these taxes. I cannot say that tax has been totally removed. It is there, but we can't see separately. Luxury tax we cannot see separately. We cannot see the purchase tax separately. We cannot see the sales tax separately. Everything has been added up and the total tax we have to pay. So in such case, what happened? The people do not know how much tax they're paying for luxury, how much tax they're paying for purchase, how much tax they're paying for sales. So the separate taxes when we need to pay in each and every step. So it's very difficult to manage the tax procedure. We have to fill up all the rules and regulations there. At every stage, we have to pay the tax. Lot of knowledge is required, calculation is required, energy required, time required, everything required. This is the wastage of time and money in one way. But it all has to be submerged, subsumed, which is known as, in taxation language, it is known as what? Subsumed. This all the taxes has been subsumed and they have made one tax. GST. Fine. So these are the taxes, the list of the taxes we have to remember, which has been subsumed. Let me read one by one. One is state VAT, VAT, value added tax, which has been always imposed, was, not is, was imposed on the goods and services produced. Next, central sales tax. At the time of selling commodities, there was a tax. Purchase tax, again at the time of purchase, separate tax was there. Luxury tax, in case of any luxurious commodities, we need to pay the tax. Entry tax, in case of entry and exit, there are certain taxes, import, export, separately. Entertainment tax, advertisement, if we want to advertise our product, there also we have to pay the tax. But one thing for sure, now at present also we are paying, but we do not know how much paying because it is minimized and it is total up, one tax. So we do not know. We are ignorant about it, but we are paying the tax. Government is rated, government is getting tax from us. But as it is subsum, our burden is less now. Each and every step we need not have to pay. So the burden is less, quite less. So that's why it is very easy also. The process is also very easy. Okay, I have just discussed regarding that Saral process, Sugam process, okay, in the earlier slides. Now, so these are the taxes which has been subsumed within the GST. So GST is a combination of different type of taxes charged earlier in each and every step of purchase and sales of the commodity in one line.